This 2024 Airstream International 25FBT twin hatch is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features a Aqua, coastal Cove interior, sleep 6, smoke detector, spare tire kit, microwave, external shower, air conditioning, TV, DVD player, oven, LP detector, auxiliary battery, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Airstream International 25FBT twin hatch is 5,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.